Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I have now found a way to store all of my blankets and have them all easily accessible and being able to grab the one I want. This blanket rack by RELODECOR takes up minimal space. It doesn't have to lean against the wall, so I don't have to worry about my daughter knocking it over and it falling on her. But it holds so many blankets. It even holds a pillow. On here is several queen size blankets and it fits all of them. It's also really nice if I want to pull a blanket from the bottom, I can. It doesn't make a mess. I don't have to pull all of them out. And when I'm done, I just pop it on top. It's very easy to install, several screws, and it is up. And I have been very rough on this thing. I have yanked on blankets, I have stuffed it, and it still feels very secure. Another really nice thing is to fit the blankets in there. You don't have to fold them up to perfection. You kind of just roll them up and shove them in. At least that's how I do it. If you're looking for a way to store all your blankets or towels, this rack is perfect and it is so easy to use. But that's just my point of view.